Have you ever wondered why the moon spins? Many of us grow up with the perception that it doesn't, given that we always see the same face of the moon. But that's not quite accurate. You see, our lunar neighbor does indeed spin, but in a unique fashion known as synchronous rotation. This simply means that the moon rotates on its axis at the same rate that it orbits the Earth. So while it might seem like the moon is keeping a still face towards us, it's in fact spinning, just at a speed that matches its orbital period. This synchronization is why we're always greeted by the same familiar lunar landscape, and not because the moon lacks rotation. So, in essence, the moon does spin, just not in the way you might have thought. Now you might be asking, why does the moon spin at the same rate it orbits the Earth? Well, the answer lies in the realm of physics and the powerful force of gravity. You see, billions of years ago, the moon used to spin at a much faster rate. However, the Earth's gravity exerted a strong pull on the moon. This gravitational pull created bulges on the moon's surface, causing it to elongate slightly along the line towards Earth. Now, these tidal bulges experienced a gravitational tug from Earth, which acted like a brake, gradually slowing down the moon's rotation. Over billions of years, the moon's rotation slowed to the point where the same side always faces Earth. This phenomenon is known as tidal locking, or gravitational locking. Tidal locking is quite common in the cosmos. It happens when there's a significant size difference between two celestial bodies, and they are close enough for their gravitational interaction to become a dominant process. In the grand cosmic dance, the moon continues to orbit the Earth, turning on its axis at the same rate it moves around our planet. This is why we only ever see one face of the moon from Earth. The process of tidal locking is a fascinating testament to the power of gravity, and it's a key factor in the moon's synchronized spin. And that's the science of why our moon spins in sync with its orbit around the Earth. So, what have we learned today? We've discovered that the moon does indeed spin, but it does so in a unique way. This spinning dance is called synchronous rotation, meaning the moon turns on its axis at the same rate it orbits our Earth. This fascinating phenomenon is due to tidal locking, a result of gravitational tidal forces. Next time you gaze up at the moon, remember the fascinating science behind its steady, synchronized spin. Until next time, keep looking up and keep asking questions.